Hi guys, right, I'll do a little update because I did have a tracker on my bike and it was the Vigo Smart Track. Now it worked really great at first, and what's it now, it's 26th of October, yeah, 2021, and just recently found out Vigo have gone into liquidation. They do like Vigo do smart turn systems and all that. I just couldn't get the load in the app. About it's been about 3 weeks now. Couldn't get the app to load. Got warned about it by a lot of guys on YouTube anyway, but and a couple of you did message me and said you've had trouble and all that, but I didn't have any trouble, but right up to the last minute the app stopped working. So an update on my thing, don't get that. You can't, can you? But thought, well, I still need a tracker for my bike, so thanks to YouTube I looked at a few and found some. I don't want to wire it in because I've had to take this one out, so that's what it was, and it was all wired in. Still got the chip in it, the card for the SIM card in it, so what use is that now, you know what I mean? I tried it in one of my phones to see whether it was actually working, but it doesn't seem to. I think they shut everything. So that was what it was, just the Vigo. So that's gone. It's a couple of £100, that's £100 down the drain, but hey. Right, so I've got this. So this is what this video is about today. This is the Monimoto, and it was I've already fitted it to my bike, so there's nothing in this box. So it comes in this nice little case with all padding and all that, all the instructions. It took me 10 minutes to fit in my bike, to set up rather. I took all my bike apart to actually fit it in there because it is just hard. It's about that size of the tube, and you'll see videos on here, so you'll see the size, only about that big by about that, and you come to cable ties, you pop it in. It's got batteries, so you do have to change the batteries every now and again. They reckon about a year, but I don't need to tell you that really, because you'll find them all over YouTube about this item. Been brilliant actually. I keep getting, it gets updated because my key fob, because you get a key fob. I've got a Harley, so it's got it's keyless, so I keep it with that because that's always in my pocket if I'm riding the bike, so I keep it with that. So it detects if that fob is near it, the fob that came with the motor is near it, and it will it won't keep you sending you warnings, because it sends you, it'll ring, it will let you know that your bike's being moved, tampered with, whatever. So this was 140 odd quid. You've got to pay subscriptions as well for monthly, but I think it works out about £30 a year in the end, but it's worth it for peace of mind. You know, you've got a good bike and that, you want to keep rolling with it, don't you? You want to do the best you can. I recommend hiding it as well as you can. I mean, I stripped my bike right down to get it in there, so it's well hidden. I have to strip it down to get it out to save the batteries, but I'd rather do that than the thieves just find it, and don't hide it under your seat or somewhere in your bags or something. Like, you know, I'm sure if you're looking into this you would have already seen the other YouTube videos, but I'm just doing it as a recommendation. I'm saying excellent piece of kit. I get like updates every 24 hours saying everything's okay, you know. If anything was wrong I'd get a phone call, but it just says yep, we're still connected and we're doing fine. But my bike's only about, I'd say, 10 meters away from where I keep my keys, so you know, when it loses connection I don't know what it does, whether it changes that, but I'm sure it just says hey, everything's fine, and does exactly the same. I haven't tried it, I haven't done all that, but there are tests on YouTube. So anyway, that was just a short one, just to say, you know, I did have trouble with the Vigo, so you guys were right. Thanks for that. I should have listened to you. And I haven't done a motorcycle video for a long time, so I thought I'd, you know, do one. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. I'll do some more motorcycle videos. I'm actually thinking of cutting my levers down a bit, but I'm not sure. I'm not brave enough yet, but maybe one day I will. I want some shorty levers, but hey ho. Anyway, catch you later, guys. Thanks for watching.